Hi everyone, I'm Shinjingi. Welcome to the 5th episode of the Night in the Woods in Unity series. In this episode, we are going to make the camera follow the player using Cinemachine. First of all, we are going to download and install the Cinemachine package. We can do so by going on the Window tab, select Package Manager and write Cinemachine. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's over, close the Package Manager window and you'll see a new Cinemachine tab. Click on it and select Create 2D Camera. Now take the newly created camera and drag it to the camera's game object. Open the character's game object and drag the player one to the follow property of the Cinemachine camera. Now we have to set up a few properties that will change how the camera behaves. First off, there is the screen X and Y property. This is where on the camera view the target will be placed. We want the camera to be slightly above the target, so we are going to increase the screen Y to 0.6. The next property will be the X and Y damping. This is how much the camera reacts to the player's movements. Higher values will make the camera less responsive. We are going to leave this to 1. Then there is the dead zone width and height. This represents an area in which the player can move freely without the camera following him. We are going to set the width to 0.2 and the height to 0.1. The last property we are going to change is look ahead time, which is how much the camera will look in the direction the player is going. We'll set this to 0.2, the smoothing to 10, and we'll check the look ahead, ignore Y, which will disable the look ahead for the Y axis. As of now, the camera can move outside of the scene. To prevent that, we have to create a boundary. Go in the hierarchy and inside the camera's game object create a new empty one and call it bounds. Inside it create another one and name it bounding become 1. Add a polygon collider 2D to it. Check the is trigger property and edit the shape of the collider. Click on gizmos if you can't see it and start moving nodes to form a rectangle. You can remove a node by clicking delete while having the node selected with your cursor. When you have formed the shape, go back to the CM become 1 and scroll down to add extension. Select Cinemachine Confiner, uncheck the Confine Screen Edge property and drag the Bounding become 1 to the Bounding Shape 2D property. Now it's about time to test the camera. Click on Run and check where the camera should stop to remain inside the scene. For me, it's on the light pole and the tree. So stop the game and go back to the Bounding become 1 and change its shape accordingly. Now run back the game and you'll see that the camera now stays on the scene. This is it for this video. Like, subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when the next episode comes out, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the journey.